Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the counter with data register, how we can move the value without stop PLC and without downloading the program again, and how we can change the data of the counter in Omron PLC. Before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will open my CX-Programmer software, and here we will start one input address. For example, 0.0 we will choose, and next we will choose one counter. For example, go to the find instructions and that timer counter section, we choose that CNT counter and click OK. And after here we have to be give the value of our counter number. For example, sorry, this we have to be give counter number. For example, C0 I will choose, so just write the C0, and next little down when you click, after here you have to be put data register where you like to the set value. For example, if you put direct 0 value, 10 value, 5 value, and if you like to set from the HMI, you have to be set the data register. That data register, for example, D10 I will choose and click OK. So next we have to one more input address takes. For example, 0.1 we will choose and click enter, and this one we will place it with to reset our counter, because of when counter completes his counting, after one input must be needs for to reset this counter. And next we will choose in Omron PLC. I will explain you the direct data register. You cannot move the value, you have to be change the value from any other data register. And for change the value of the data register, first we will start this one and write to the PLC and compile the first and download the program. As program will be complete downloaded, after click it yes, and here we will check this one I0.0. We will give the signal at I0, but before start this one we have to be change the value of our data register. Put it, right click on the value, set value, and you can see this value we cannot change. Because of why, in this Omron PLC, how can change the value at the counter? We will take one more input address. For example, I0.2 we will change and click OK. And next we will choose again here move instruction. Go to the find instructions, here data move, and move 021 and click it OK. And here we will choose this one. For example, we set value we like to set at the D0, and where we like to be place the value D10, which is our that counter data register, and click OK. And one more thing we will design it here. C0 we will choose the open contact of our counter, and we will make the 100.0 our any output choose. So now this program I will download to the PLC. Where go this one? Click OK, and again click yes. Now Okay, again click yes. And now you can see at the D10 is have 25 value, and we will change the value at D0. Now you can see it can be possible to change. For example, 15 value I will choose and set, and you can see here is the 15 value ready at the D0. So as we will here D10 not have any value at the counter, as we give the signal at X 0.2, you can see the value moves in the counter P15, and as we reset the counter, with X0.1, you can see this is going to error, so we have to be first little again we will make it on, and this value again we will change because sometime it's error coming. For example, 5 value I will write in the D0, and as I give the signal at D0 0.2, can see this is the value changed at the C0, and now I give the signals at the I0.0, can see 1 4 3 2 1 and 0, and your output is now on. And as you make the I0.2 signal, can see your counter is now reset. Again I give the value 4 3 2 1 0, and your output is now on. And if you like to again change this value, you go and set, and here you can set the value. For example, 11 I will put and set mid. As you put the signal at I0.2, you can see 11 value is now moved into our counter. And as we give the signal at I0.0, 4, once we have to be make reset. Now it's going to error, no problem. Again we will change this value. For example, 12 I will set. Sometime it's software fault coming. Once we have to be change this value, set 15 for example, and set that 15 more, but this counter goes to the error. We'll put in hexa. So we will again little download to the PLC. Now error is finished. Set value, for example 6 value we will put, and as we give the signal at I0.2, can see this value moved at the counter at C0. And as we give the signal 4 3 2 1 0, and your output will be on. So again, if we like to reset and this value one more time, we will change set value and this 25 for example, and make it set 5. We put 25 and again 3 2 1 0, and again reset, and now again we will put the value at x0 dot 0 16. Because of this we will use the BCD 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. This changes contact. In hexa this value 25 will be shows 19, and again we will write this one, see 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. After he changes context. So this is the easiest method of the changing the value at the counter. Hope guys you will be understand about this program. If not understand anything, can you send a message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.